to hear you sing the song.
Il était un petit homme qui avait une drôle de maison, qui avait une drôle de maison. Hi guys, well, good morning everybody. It's a new day. I'm late to go to work, so I'm not gonna stay. Yeah, I just wanted to take this few minutes to thank everybody for watching us every day. So yeah, enjoy today's vlog and I'll catch you guys later.
Mama, can you take a picture of us, please?
Sure.
For my book, please.
Okay, I'm gonna take a picture of you.
Do, la, look, doody, smile, doody.
You can't move while I'm taking the pictures. It's not gonna take properly. Put your foot down so I can take the picture. You're funny.
Mama,
Yes, Ty.
let me look at it. I want to look at the picture.
Tell your brother he crazy.
Yay, Sarah! Let's go to school. Let's go to home. Drink ice cream.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I have been up and busy all morning this morning. Today I'm just being a mom and a wife, I guess. The TV is so loud. It's been raining. It's been raining for the past 3-4 days non-stop. Going to drop Tyler to school in the rain, picking him up back in the rain, taking to swim lessons in the rain, get back in the rain. It's just been raining and it makes you kind of gloomy, just want to stay inside, lay down and do nothing, which I've been doing that. I did that yesterday. So today I decided that I am just going to get this house all first. So I've been doing that all morning, just getting around fresh and taking care of my princess. She's actually taking a nap right now. You guys will see her in a bit. Tyler is off to school, baby's off to work. So today all I'll be doing is just going from room to room, folding laundry, sweeping, wiping, sanitizing, and just being a mama today. So that's all I've been up to. However, I am thirsty and I don't feel for no water, so I am gonna make some green juice. You guys have been saying to me, Mel, why you always peel your cucumber and don't juice it with the skin? I appreciate all you guys advice and all the suggestions, but bear in mind, everything that I do it for a reason, don't you think? Yes, girl, I do it for a reason. I peel my cucumber skin because these cucumber here in France that I buy, whether this type that I use now or the other type, they are bitter. When I say bitter, I mean bitter, and I don't like it. So that's why I take off the skin, regardless of, yes, it have fiber and have vitamin and XYZ, but I don't like it, so I'm not gonna drink it. Do you understand? Anyway, I am going to go and continue make this place fresh. The living room and the kitchen is done, so now I have all the kids' room to do, and our room, and the bathroom, and the toilet. So I'm gonna have to do around here. So enough of my ranting. Good morning, and hope you guys are having a good day. Love you guys. Here am I gonna juice some green juice, and I'm gonna try the cucumber again with the skin on it. Let's see if I'm gonna ruin my green juice or I'm gonna like it. But I'm going to use 2 apples instead of 1, just to make it a tad bit sweeter. Let's see if I'll even use 2 apples. Alright, let's go. Okay, so I leave my cucumber skin on today. Let's see how this tastes. I actually don't taste it this time, so I guess me peeling my cucumber skin. Maybe the first time I did it was I don't know, but it doesn't, I don't even taste it this time. So thank you guys. I'll be leaving my cucumber skin on as of today. So I gave it a try. Again, not bad. I honestly can't taste the difference this time. Say morning, Fibs. Say hello, Fibs. Hello, Fibs. I'm a big girl. I'm playing while Mama's working. Here, big girl. Sweet girl. Say hello. Say hello. Say hi. Say hello, everybody. Sweet girl. Sweet girl. You're a sweet girl. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Frisky. I tell y'all that my girl's rolling. Look at her. I tell y'all that my girl's rolling. So you guys can't say you've never seen Sarah rolled over because that clearly catch on camera. making dinner, and I did show you earlier what I'm doing for vegetable soup today. I have carrots, broccoli, zucchini, pumpkin, and one vegetable bouillon in here. And then it's going in the blender. So you guys, I managed to make dinner. I make vegetable soup, and I make liver, and I make turned cornmeal. Yummy. Let me show you guys the end product of dinner. There we go. Turned cornmeal is there. Liver is there. And veggie soup. Boom. Yes.
Papa, yes. Papa, you can see Papa, you can see Papa. You're going to see Papa.
Bend down below and say it. You know, only do I mix money shortly? You know, easy.
Papa! Papa!
Tyler, bonjour Tyler.
Bonjour, ça va, il est là, dans un petit là-bas.
Ok,
La musique, il est là.
ok, si j'aime
Non,
bien.
non, non, non,
Bonjour Tyler. Ça va? Bonjour.
Papa, moi c'est qui?
Je suis papa. Qu'est-ce que tu as fait au fond? Tu es tombé là?
Oui, j'ai tombé.
Tu es tombé quand?
Aujourd'hui, à l'école,
Qu'est-ce que tu as
on
fait
a
pour
couru
tomber?
des prières.
Tu as couru, tu es tombé?
Non,
Qu'est-ce que tu as fait?
ça m'a fait mal.
Comment ça fait que t'as fait mal?
Et ça m'a fait mal, mais but I
We have matching lips. Bless you 2 times. Sneeze all on my face, but that's okay. I'll take it. You guys, the boys have been home and I cheated. I completely cheated today. I did not work out. I was yes, that. So tired. So tired. And I got so much done today. I'm just out of it. So I said, you know what? Let me work out tomorrow instead of today. But babe came home and he's on the treadmill and I love it. I love that he's motivated. That babe is motivated and he's doing what we set out to do. So let me show you guys babe around the back running. For this mad boy.
yes.
What's he doing?
Mama, the airplane just from Jamaica.
Calf them look tight though babe and right.
Hein?
Foot look strong.
This, yes.
How you feel?
This,
I feel it, but
this,
it's better than the last time.
yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Keep on. You did well.
Yes. This,
How many minutes are you so far?
8:30.
Good job. How much your targets?
this.
Last time I did 20,
Yes.
about 8.4 speed.
Uh-huh.
So I'm up to 2 now. I increase it slowly. So if I can go more than 20, I'll be happy.
Alright, keep on. You can do it. So proud of babe. The fact that I didn't and he came home and went and do it. Super proud of him right now. Don't say I'm proud of papa. Proud of papa. Proud of papa. Proud of papa. Why babe and I in the same color?
Because you...
Babe?
Because you...
Yeah, copycat?
You copy me.
I was in it first and you come after.
Yeah, you anticipate that I was about to go in blue, so you copy me.
Put on the cushion. Why you have the cushion?
When, wow.
You guys, we're going to do the Jamaican expression. And I can't thank you, Jamaican faves, enough to give us these books. Hold on tight. These books are amazing. And by the way, one of our faves in Jamaica gave me some peanut brickle. Yo, you guys, some peanut cake. 20 in a bag. And I knock off the 20 in less than 20 minutes. Where I couldn't even show you guys. I didn't even remember peanut cake tastes so good. Yo, if me could have get my hand past some more right now, I swear they taste good and me eat them off and babe. Didn't want any.
I take some, but
And
she was
tell-
just eating them so... I don't like to eat things when she's
Yes.
just enjoying them. I don't want to.
Babe see I was enjoying it. He didn't want any more, so he let me. And is when I finished eating them, I said, oh my gosh, Tyler didn't get any.
Why they didn't get any?
Because Mama eat them off.
I want it.
I remember...
When I go back to Jamaica, I get some for you, okay?
That was like... When's the last time we were in Jamaica?
So greedy.
Not this time, the one before, was like 2-3 years ago.
When
We
we take the bus, I always buy it.
no, I mean we went in UTech and is Janet Morrison that came
Oh yes.
with us and she gave me you give me
What she gave you?
was the candy things.
Oh, Buster.
Buster?
Yeah. You know that tough, sweet name, Buster, something. Correct me down below what's the correct name for that. Listen, the peanut cake, peanut brickle tastes good, and I don't know where this fave got it, but it was fresh and it was in a nice package and it was crunchy and I'm salivating right now, I swear. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna do the Jamaican expression. Look at these three. The Jamaican expression for today. Tyler, you ready?
Yes. With the person.
Ah, I got a good expression.
With the person on it.
The Jamaican expression for today. What person?
The person that is in the book.
There's no person. Listen to what the Jamaican expression is. Look at Sarah. Sarah wants to play with Tyler, you know. Idiot thing that. What does an idiot thing that mean? An idiot thing that.
Idiot thing that. Stupid things.
So you think me eat up a peanut brickle and I give him that stupid thing?
Yeah, that was stupid from you. You should have given me some and give some to Tyler. So that was very stupid from you. Very.
I would more say selfish.
I wasn't hungry.
That was selfish too.
Here, Ty. Ty, what did you say?
I was hungry when we did peanut
Yeah.
butter, but I wanted some.
I'm out.
What's that?
Look.
I wanted some.
What is that?
Oh.
So, I eat that thing that...
An idiot thing that. What do you think that means?
A great one. A taste good one.
No.
I eat that thing that...
Tyler, Ty, say an idiot thing that.
I eat that thing that.
Not thing, thing.
Thing that.
An
With
idiot
the-
thing
What
that.
it means? I
It
can't-
means that is foolishness.
Yeah, that's stupid. That's
When
what I said.
someone here or sees something that when someone sees or hears something that doesn't make sense, they say an idiot thing that. Like now that Mama eat all the peanut brick, say Mama idiot thing that.
Of course I eat that thing that.
You should have give me some idiot
I
thing
eat that
that.
thing, that's what I say. That's what I say, right?
Confession is good for the soul. Oh, Tyler, when I go back Jamaica, I'll get some for you. Or I'll try and look at Jamaica care packages and say they can send us some. They probably can send some. They always have Christmas sale or deals or whatnot. Anyway, you guys, so the Jamaican expression for today is
I just think that.
I eat that thing that.
I eat that. You know there's a song? I eat that thing that. Anyway, you guys, what's the French expression for today? What is the French expression for today?
Come.
Tux.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
That's a big cake.
Cake.
Okay, what's the name of your cake that you ate? What was it?
Peanut bricole.
Peanut butter.
Bricole.
So,
Or otherwise called peanut cake.
but it's called.
Cacahuètes. You know what is cacahuètes?
It's a nut.
Yeah.
No, these are like.
How you know that?
The French expression is
Cacahuète. Papa say cacahuète.
The first cacahuètes. Pirouette, and that's my favorite song to sing.
Oh, they said they want to hear you sing the song.
Cacahuète.
Continue.
They need to hear me when I'm with Sarah.
and me, I want.
Alright, alors let Papa sing it to Sarah. Il était un petit homme, pirouette, cacahuète. Il était un petit homme qui avait une drôle de maison, Sa maison est en carton, pirouette, cacahuète. Sa maison est en carton, ses escaliers sont en papier, Si vous voulez y monter, pirouette, cacahuète. Si vous voulez y monter, vous vous casserez le bout du nez, Bravo!
Wait, I'm going to sing a song
You
different.
too.
Next day you sing. Next day, not
Next
But
today.
day.
to me,
Okay.
I want to
You
sing
sing
the
it
song
up, put
that
it up.
I sing it to you.
Okay, sing.
Moi, c'est parler toutes les langues. Moi, c'est parler les langues de mon entier. J'en savais rien que maintenant que tu le dis, c'est un foutin. Ça va changer ma vie. J'ai des baskets. Ça fait un mot en anglais. J'ai des baskets pour faire mes petits traits. Un anorak. Mot qui vient de l'esquimau, un anorak. Pour pas qu'il fait pas beau, moi c'est parler toutes les langues. Moi c'est parler les langues du monde entier. J'en savais rien que maintenant que tu le dis, c'est un boutin. Ça va changer ma vie. Les spaghettis, mot qui vient de l'Italie. Les spaghettis. Me mettre en appétit, c'est le yaourt. Mot qui vient de Bulgarie, c'est le yaourt. Me mettre mon dessert de midi. Moi, c'est parler toutes les langues. Moi, c'est parler les langues du monde entier. J'en savais rien que maintenant que tu le dis, c'est un foutin. Ça va changer ma vie sur un yacht. Mot qui vient de hollandais, sur un yacht. Je passe le mois de juillet.
Bravo!